Welcome back to the Mickey Thompson Tough Truck Challenge from Lima, Ohio. Now, let's check in with Doc Riley.
Well, on the four-wheel Jamboree Performance Marketplace, you'll find everything, even a good-looking Mickey Thompson tough truck that we'll see in action a little bit later on here on World of Trucks. Of course, Mickey Thompson is known for street tires and for drag slicks and everything else. But, Mark, I got to tell you one thing. You guys have got a great line of truck tires as well.
I'll tell you what, Doc, we've come out with some really new stuff for 2005. Right here is our new MTZ tire. It's got a high void tread design, self-cleaning tread, up to 20-30 seconds of tread depth, available in sizes up to 38 inch and also 1550 wide.
And not only do you guys have a great looking tire in this, but you guys have also come up with some other innovations as well. I mean, you guys have got to run the gamut for just about any type of tire you'd need.
Yes, this is our new all-terrain tire. It's called the ATZ. This also really smooth riding, quiet, self-cleaning lugs. I mean, this thing does a great job on the street as well as for your mild off-roader. Available in sizes up to 40 inches in diameter and also in 20-inch rim diameters.
Thanks a lot, Mark. Hey, if you need more information about Mickey Thompson tires, just hang on to the end of the show. We'll have all the websites for all the great promotional considerations you've seen here on the program.
Second round action will bring up our number 1 qualifier, Rory Campbell in the Pro Comp Ford, to face the number 8 qualifier, Lionel Easler.
Lionel Easler, the Rancho Ride, Rory Campbell, that Pro Comp Ford. Now they're awful tight. It looks like there are problems there in that turn.
Campbell all out of shape as he went into the first jump.
Easler doesn't look like he's having any problems at all.
Just a steady ride on down to the finish line. Lionel Easler advancing on now. And that will bring up Steve Zander in the disconnected Jeep. He will face David DeMay in that damaged goods.
Zander in the Jeep, close now. He's got the short turn, so it looks like he's in the lead. DeMay is trying to follow him. DeMay ends up crooked again and it landed on the front end. Now we get around this side. And they are close.
Neck and neck as they hit the finish line. David DeMay picking up the win. And that will bring up Mark Noto in the Super Truck to face Chris Mosier in the 00 truck.
The 00, that new truck, Mosier, he and his teammate are continuing on. Now it looks like he has the lead, but that short turn.
And Rick, so much of this race all depends on finesse, and as we mentioned at the top of the program, suspension, the way the truck is set up, not like that one.
No, way out of bounds. Mosier looks like quick time for the round, and he's your winner.
Now up comes Jeff Diedick and the General Lee. This should be a good race as he faces Roger Bubba Cardot.
On the Bubba truck, still behind now. You would think, again, that first turn is the short one, but they are fairly close there, and that bodes well for that big orange Chevy.
Just a little bit too much power, too much speed as Cardot comes over the first jump, almost goes end over end.
Diedick, General Lee, looks like he had it all to himself.
Indeed he does, and this is the way it will shake out as we go into the semifinal round in the Mickey Thompson Tough Truck Challenge. World of Trucks is being brought to you by Honda, the power of dreams, and by Hallmark, built strong for the way you work and play.